I got 7 minutes, D. Alright, so here's what's gonna happen. They're gonna pull that shed down because our shed. Oh crap, that's creepy. Oh, come on. Fall. Darn it. Got 7 minutes. What are you talking about? 7. Alright. So, Pap. We got his Julie. Hi. Check. This should really be going on your channel though, D. Yeah, let's put it on both of our channels. Mine's gonna be called Dad's helping Pap pull down the shed. Alright. Clearly, I was hoping this to just go.
Yeah, you gotta hold it up between it and look at that. The phone.
But
Hold the phone up so you can see. You gotta
See-
look on the screen. Where's the phone?
that's what I'm doing. I look back and then I look at what I'm actually looking at and then, oh. Alright. Pap got the tractor out. Burning pile. Alright, so we may be doing another video today. Hopefully, and we got 7 minutes on here, so hopefully I don't take up all of this. Man. Over where? Oh yeah! Here we go. Oh yeah! Here it goes! Boom! Bye-bye! Yeah! Yeah, we got it! The pond's over there. I don't know if you can. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Nope. Oh, crap. I think it split into what? It split in two. Look at this. Oh, there's no light down in there. No. Yeah, you can't see that, but it's split in two. Too much shadow on there. But it did split in two. Where am I even filming? Oh, there. Get it? It's like right over there. Over there. Yeah, I don't think they're pushing. I don't think you're pushing it any further, but it's split. I got a little bit of it on camera. Alright. So I gotta save some of the minutes for another video, because hopefully we got a PetSmart. You're not pulling that thing. Ooh. Oh. Oh. I'll get more of that. Feel evil. I don't think you're pulling it, D. You pulled it a little bit. Oh yeah! Got that pretty good. Just like tearing it. Ooh! Got it! So D. Alright, so hopefully guys, we can make another video for this guy to take me to PetSmart for a pond. Got it? Alright, we're doing it today? Can we just do it today? We can get it over with? I'll sit outside and wait for our stuff to you know what. Don't want to give any. Ugh, it smells terrible over here. I don't want to give any spoilers. Oh, you're burning tire or whatever, D. Yeah. You are. You're like me. Ooh. took a half out. Here it comes. D, you're still attached to that one piece. You can't pull it anymore. Pap, you can't pull it. You can't pull it, D. Not attached anymore. Alright, so I got all of that. We're good. Alright, see you on the next video. This will be on his channel too. Bye.